Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Zoom virtual background not showing. If your virtual background option is missing or not working the way you expect, there's a quick setting in Zoom that often resolves the issue. In this walkthrough, we'll go directly to the account settings area where the virtual background feature can be checked and refreshed. Start by opening Zoom and going to the home page. This is the main landing area where you can access your account and app settings. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on My Account. This will take you from the Zoom home interface into your account controls in the browser, where more advanced settings are available. After the account page opens, click on Settings. This section contains the main configuration options for your Zoom account, including meeting features and controls that affect how Zoom behaves during calls. Inside Settings, click on Meeting. The Meeting tab is where Zoom keeps many of the options related to live sessions, including participant tools, video features, and background settings. When the meeting page loads, look for the section labeled In Meeting Advanced and click into it. Now scroll down through the advanced meeting options until you find virtual background. Take your time here because this section can be a little farther down the page depending on your account layout and screen size. Once you locate the virtual background option, click the toggle button to turn it off and then turn it back on again. This can help refresh the setting and restore the feature if it was not showing correctly before. Make sure the toggle ends in the on position when you're done. After you re-enable it, give Zoom a moment to apply the change. If you already have the Zoom desktop app open, it may help to return to the app and check whether the virtual background option is now available. In many cases, simply toggling the setting off and back on is enough to make the feature appear again. As a final tip, be sure you're signed into the correct Zoom account while making these changes, since settings only apply to the account you're currently using. Also, if the option still doesn't appear right away, reopening Zoom can sometimes help the updated setting sync properly. That's it. You've now checked the account setting that commonly fixes Zoom virtual background not showing.